In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages to different Canva designs. Whether you're organizing a project or reworking a presentation, knowing how to transfer pages efficiently can be quite a lifesaver. Let's dive right in and make your Canva workflow as smooth as possible. First things first, let's open the Canva design from which you want to move your pages. Once you're in your design, you'll want to switch the view to make things easier to handle. This is where clicking on the grid icon comes into play. By switching to grid view, you'll be able to visually manage your design with a holistic perspective. It allows you to see all your pages at once, making it easier to choose the ones you wish to move. Now, with the grid view activated, it's time to select the pages you want to move. For that, you'll need to press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. As you hold Shift, click on each of the pages in the grid that you wish to select. This lets you select multiple pages simultaneously, making the process much quicker than selecting each page one by one. With your pages selected, the next step is to copy them. Simply press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. This command copies the selected pages to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into another design. The great thing about this step is it ensures all formatting, images and text from the original pages remain intact when you transfer them. Now navigate to the other Canva design where you want to paste the copied pages. You can open your second design in another tab or within the same window, whichever method is more convenient for you. Once you have your target design open, make sure you're in a view where you can accommodate additional pages. It's finally time to paste your copied pages into the new design. Press Ctrl and V to paste. This action will insert the pages directly into your new design, allowing you to continue editing them seamlessly. You'll see your copied content pop right into place, retaining the original structure and design elements. And there you go, you've successfully moved pages to a different Canva design. This straightforward process is a huge time saver when working on large projects or collaborating with others, as it allows you to reuse and reorganize content with just a few simple steps. Remember, organizing your designs efficiently can boost your productivity and creativity, providing you with the time to focus on what truly matters: creating stunning visuals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore other topics on our channel to expand your Canva skills even further. Happy designing!